Welcome everyone. I am off to pick up some more old school gear which I have got my hands on. And this is another example of one of those long-winded stories. So a guy who knew another guy who had a mate, his cousin used to own a store and he got rid of all the stuff when they sold the store, but his brother took a pallet and so that's sitting in his back shed and he doesn't really want to sell it, so you know the story. Alright, well, I'm nearly back at the factory and I have to say it's been a 2-hour pickup for some items that I didn't think I'd ever see. Voila! I think I need a desk. Nice. All right, SQ guys, hope you're sitting down. Can you see that? Boston Pro Series 6.5 splits, brand new in the box. VL200, brand new in the box. VL200, brand new in the box. 100 HC, brand new in the box. The surprise, and I'll have to go to the back door to get the rest. More Rockford Fosgate goodness. Nice little Orion 250 SX. And a 420 GT display board item. Mint condition. Alright, let's go and open up some of these boxes and have a look inside. Okay, so here's the pile of goodies from today. Let's have a quick look inside. I'm going to have to show you these ones first. I'm super excited. These are brand new in the box. Still in the original packaging. Oh, happiness is in an SPP 15.8. Rockford Fosgate Punch Pro Series. I think you can see that. Now, look at that. Bit of dust. Brand new. These have been sitting for 20 years. So I've got 2 of these wonderful subwoofers. They are mega rare. Really happy. So that's really what I went out there for today. And then, well, these were there, so you know, you're kind of obliged to take them if they're there. And then, how can you go past a 420 GT? I mean, seriously, it's mint. I don't even want to touch them. They're so, look, the foam, it's just all new. The newness. Absolutely mint condition. So while we were there, we also grabbed some audio control. The ESP3. Look at that. New, wrapped, fantastic. US amps. Oh, look at this. This is like Christmas. Brand new, still got the original price tag on it. Still, look at it. Bit of dust. Original label, high current amplifier, half ohm stable. USA 100 HC, HC for high current. And then we've got our 2 fantastic VL200s. Same colour. So what a great day. Thanks for watching everyone. I'm going to have to go and sit and look at my new items because they are just lovely. Have a great day. Stay tuned.